Are you looking for the best printers for? In this video we will look at some of the best printers for. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother MFC. Shoppers with less than $200 to spend can choose from a number of all-in-one inkjets that don't take much desk space, but the Brother MFC J4335DW goes beyond that with duplex printing, faxing, either as a standalone fax machine or from almost any app on your PC, a 20-page automatic document feeder, and low running costs of under a penny per black page and under a nickel per color page. The ADF doesn't handle double-sided pages, but you have to sacrifice something in this price range. Both homes and small, to be honest, very small, offices can readily make room for this Brother printer. You won't use its fax capability often, but you never know when you might need it, and its competent paper handling joins its more than adequate text and better than adequate graphics quality. Sold as one each. All-in-one printer provides printing, copying, scanning, and fax capabilities in one compact machine. Dimensions: 7.1-inch HX 17.1 WX 14.2D color flatbed CIS. Scanner scans documents at up to 2400 by 1200 dpi optical resolution, 19200 x 19200 dpi interpolated, or 600 by 1200 dpi resolution using ADF. Inkvestment tank ink cartridges hold more ink than traditional cartridges to continually supply ink to the internal tank, so you get more pages without needing to refill. 2-year manufacturer limited. Number 2. Canon Maxify GX 5020. Non-AIO inkjets are uncommon items these days. But if all you want to do is print documents and, perhaps, glossy paper photos en masse, and maximize your savings on ink while doing it, look into this Maxify model. Cheap ink is its biggest selling point. You won't get a classic AIO scanning or copy function, though Canon offers a sort of copy workaround, letting you shoot a document with your phone's camera and print it in one step, but you will get a bulk ink design that takes refills from bottled ink. Our math based on Canon's yield claims and bottle costs works out to 0.5 cent per monochrome black page and 0.7 cent per color page. And that's before you factor in Canon's full-size ink bottles bundled with the printer. Plus, before we forget to mention, the output looks very good. The Maxify is geared toward home offices, but it can serve the needs of a heavy printing family, too. It's all about printing enough, day in and day out, to leverage the low ink costs, since the printer itself, like most bulk ink/bottle refill models, is priced on the high side for the feature set. But if you have a home business, plus a family that hits a printer hard for schoolwork or hobbies, it's an excellent longer-term money saver. Number 3. Epson EcoTank Pro ET. Epson's EcoTank Pro ET 5850 no longer comes with the 2 years supply of free ink it was introduced with, but it's still a great deal for high-volume office printing. This all-in-one boasts a 50-page ADF with single-pass auto-duplexing, an ample 550 sheet paper capacity, and near-typeset quality output for text, and impressive graphics, too. It's as fast as any of its inkjet and several of its laser competitors, and it'll cost you only about 2 cents per page for both monochrome output and, more impressively, color. Assuming you stick to letter and legal size paper instead of the wide format media supported by its EcoTank Pro ET 16650 sibling, the ET 5850 is virtually ideal for small businesses and workgroups that crank out 3,000 to 4,000 pages per month. It was arguably the first successful office implementation of the bulk ink concept that slashed consumer printers' page costs to under a penny for black and white, but those printers don't have the chops for busy office duty. This one does. Number 4. Canon ImageClass LBP 236DW. The Canon ImageClass LBP 236DW bests its monolaser competitors thanks to significantly faster speed for two-sided, duplex, printing. Also in the plus column? It has a lower list price than most, $299, and an acceptably low running cost. For small or mid-size offices that need duplex printing, it's the very model of a mid-range to high-volume monochrome workhorse. The LBP 236DW is the clear choice for most monochrome printing needs, so small and medium-size offices and workgroups that just need solid black and white printing without copying or scanning capability will find it right in their wheelhouse. About this item. Print up to 40 ppm. Print up to 8.5 inches by 14 inches. 900 sheet maximum paper capacity. Standard 1-year limited warranty standard. Environmentally conscious settings help save paper and energy. Number 5. Brother HL. Making copies? There's a Xerox machine for that. Scanning? Bah humbug. The Brother HL L9310CDW is a single-function laser printer, period. It's ready to crank out page after page, up to 6,000 each month, with flawless, vividly colorful Excel and PowerPoint graphics and typesetter quality text, at speeds only the most expensive enterprise printers can beat. It offers plenty of connectivity and expansion options, plus extensive fleet security features. Midsize and large offices and workgroups will embrace the HLL 9310CDW with open arms, enjoying everything from its color touchscreen control panel to its competitive running costs. Certified for everything from remote computing to electronic medical records handling, it's a workhorse with superb output quality and versatility. Sold as one each. Fast, high-quality printing. Features a business-durable design with high-impact business document printing at up to 33 pages per minute in both color and black. Low total cost of ownership. Includes Brother Genuine Super High-Yield 6,500-page cartridges for built-in value. For even lower cost printing, use Brother Genuine Ultra High-Yield 9,000-page replacement cartridges.